Hi guys, it's Isabel. We're back here at WorldWideRV, and today I'm going to be showing you guys around this single axle travel trailer. This comes in at barely 4,100 pounds dry and can sleep up to 7 people. So as per usual, we're going to start on the outside of this unit and then make our way in. Alright guys, so this is Jayco's 2025 J-Flight 197 MBW. Really good plus of this unit is it is going to come with their Baja edition. So that's going to mean that you're going to have really good ground clearance underneath. You're also going to get these 3 solid steps lipper, which are going to be able to flip inside. Another thing that I really like to point out when it comes to Jayco's is going to be their on-demand hot water heater. So this is going to push out 60,000 BTUs, allowing you to take a hot shower on a cold morning. Alright guys, so now we're inside of the 197 MBW. A really good plus of this unit, as you can see, is you have a lot of floor space in here. Behind me is going to be the U-shaped dinette, which does convert down to sleep a full-size adult. This is on a slide out, but when it comes in, you're still going to be able to access your bunks, bathroom, fridge, kitchen. Super big plus. Okay, coming over from the opposite side of the slide, you're gonna have your kitchen. In this kitchen, you have a big 12-volt fridge. Now, Jayco was nice and equipped you with 200 watts of solar on the roof. That's really gonna help when it comes to dry camping in this unit. All right, now let's talk about this bathroom. You're gonna have a nice sink in here with some storage underneath, as well as some storage next to the toilet. And this shower is super spacious. I have plenty of arm room, as well as headroom with this skylight up here. So the feature that makes this unit feel so much more spacious is definitely going to be this Murphy bed design. Now, this is super easy to turn into a bedroom, so let me show you how. And just like that, you have access to your queen size bed.